How does your boat engine's crankcase ventilation system work? Imagine your boat engine as a busy workshop where gases are constantly produced as a byproduct of running. These gases need a way to escape to keep the engine running smoothly. That's where the crankcase ventilation system comes into play. When your engine runs, the combustion process causes some gases to slip past the piston rings into the crankcase. These gases, called blow-by gases, contain air, fuel vapors, tiny oil particles, and combustion leftovers. If these gases stay trapped, they can cause pressure to build up inside the crankcase, which might lead to oil leaks or damage to engine seals and gaskets. To prevent this, the ventilation system helps regulate pressure by providing a controlled escape route for these gases. Inside the crankcase, there are breather pads or baffles that catch and separate oil mist from the gases. This prevents excessive oil loss and keeps the engine cleaner. The cleaned gases then travel through hoses or pipes to the engine's intake manifold. A component called the positive crankcase ventilation valve controls this flow, opening or closing, depending on how the engine is running. When the gases reach the intake manifold, they mix with the fresh air and fuel mixture that goes into the cylinders. The engine then burns these gases along with the regular fuel, reducing harmful emissions and pollution. Any gases that aren't burned are expelled through the exhaust system. From a boat maintenance perspective, keeping this system in good shape is essential. If the ventilation components like the breather pads or the positive crankcase ventilation valve get clogged or fail, it can cause pressure buildup, oil sludge, or increased engine wear. During an inboard engine oil change, it's a good idea to inspect these parts. Make sure hoses are clear, the valve moves freely, and the breather pads aren't dirty or blocked. Replacing or cleaning these parts can prevent costly repairs down the line. Overall, the crankcase ventilation system helps your engine breathe properly, keeps it clean, and runs efficiently. Regular checks and maintenance of this system are simple steps that can extend your engine's life and keep your boat performing at its best.